everyone, so this is my another lazy cooking series. So I am making eggplant with Toovar dana sabji, Gujarati style. So let's get started. For that we need 2 big eggplant. I have removed half of the skin, 1 tomato, 1 potato and 2 cups of Toovar dana with half cup of water and half teaspoon of salt. Put it in the pressure cooker, do 1 whistle. After 1 whistle we are just going to open the lid and try to break it with a spatula. I am using straight spatula. This way I can chop vegetable like as if they were chopped with knife. So this is what I am pretending. So 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste with the flame on, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander cumin powder, now let it cook everything. We are also going to add vada pav masala. Mine is mild, that's why I am adding 2 teaspoons. If you have vada pav masala, you can add 1 teaspoon, or if you don't have it, you can substitute it with peanut powder. That goes really well, so make sure you add one or the other. And at the end, we are going to add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Since my sauce is too thick, I am also going to add 1 cup of water in the same container. Now stir everything until everything is combined. As you know that we haven't added any oil yet, so we are just going to cook our spices with our sabji. So stir everything. And make sure that each and every pieces is like chopped with our spatula, like our potatoes are chopped too. And now close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. And after that we will turn off the flame. Now at the end we are going to do the tempering. So I am taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil. Half teaspoon of mustard seed and half teaspoon of jeera. Once it start crackling like this, then you will add sesame seed and red chili powder with the flame off. Again, once it start crackling, you turn off the flame and then add other 2 ingredients, which is sesame seed and red chili powder. And the moment you add it, immediately you put it on sabji. Do not leave it inside for too long. The moment you do it, here it goes above the sabji, and here our sabji is ready. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. It was done in no time. So make sure you try out my recipe, lazy cooking recipe, and do let me know how you like my recipe. Now you can use the same method to cook different kind of sabji, like eggplant with papri dana, Gujarati style. You can use the same recipe but different kind of dana, so that would give you different flavors. So let me know how you like my lazy cooking today. Thanks for watching. Bye.